Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor Kuti Akshada from SND Engineering and Research Center. In previous lecture, we have seen ultimate analysis of coal. Today we have discussed the fractionating column and cracking. Cracking. It is the chemical process of breaking down higher hydrocarbon molecules to smaller molecules by either thermal processes or by catalytic processes. It is a diagram of cracking. Heavy oil using catalyst, catalytic cracking, diesel, petrol, thermal cracking, petrol, LPG. It produces carbon black, H2 tower, hydrocarbons. Catalytic reforming. It is the process of isomerization of hydrocarbons, limited cracking of hydrocarbons, heating the naphtha at about 150 degrees Celsius in the presence of catalyst. The quality of the petrol obtained by reforming is better regarding combustion characteristics in the petrol engines. Compositions, boiling range, and uses of petroleum fractions. The various petroleum fractions or petroleum products have calorific value about 11,500 gram. Their composition, boiling range, and uses are given in this table. Power alcohol. When ethyl alcohol is used as fuel in internal combustion engine, it is called as power alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is used as its 5 to 25 percentage mixture with petrol. India has started mixing 5 percentage ethyl alcohol in petrol from year 2003. But countries like Brazil use 25 percentage ethyl alcohol in petrol from 1970. Petrol engine running exclusively on ethyl alcohol is also designed. Manufacture of ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is mainly manufactured by fermentation of molasses, starch, carbohydrates on a large scale and cheaply. It can be also obtained from synthesis gas, CO and H2. The starch or sucrose in molasses is converted into ethyl alcohol by fermentation as in reaction. This is the reaction. Advantages or merits of power alcohol. Ethyl alcohol has a good anti-knocking property and its octane number is 90, while the octane number of petrol is about 65. Alcohol has property of absorbing any traces of water if present in petrol. If a specially designed engine with higher compression ratio is used, then the disadvantages of lower calorific value of ethyl alcohol can be overcome. Ethyl alcohol contains oxygen atoms, which help for complete combustion of power alcohol and polluting emission of CO. Hydrocarbons, particulates are reduced largely. Power alcohol is cheaper than petrol. Disadvantages, demerits of power alcohol. Ethyl alcohol has calorific value 700 gram, much lower than calorific value of petrol 11,500 gram. Use of power alcohol reduces power output up to 35 percentages. Ethyl alcohol has high surface tension and its atomization, especially at lower temperatures, is difficult, causing starting trouble. Ethyl alcohol may undergo oxidation to form acetic acid, which corrodes engine parts. Ethyl alcohol obtained by fermentation processes directly cannot be mixed with petrol, but it has to be dehydrated first. Next topic is biodiesel. Chemical nature of biodiesel. Chemically, biodiesel is the mixture of methyl esters of long chain carboxylic acids. Biodiesel is obtained by transesterification of vegetable oil or animal fats with methyl alcohol using catalyst. sodium metal or sodium methoxide. A molecule or oil or fat, it is a triester of glycerol and 3 molecules of long chain carboxylic acid. These triesters is converted into methyl esters of the fatty acids.